Okay, go ahead, Carrie. Try to fit to the cabinet. You want me to shut it after?
Yeah.
Okay. If you can get in there, I'll shut it.
Hi. It's not very cozy in here. Wow, it's kind of dark in here. And there's not much room. Not much going on. I should have put a pillow in here. Okay, it's kind of dark in here. Hello? Can I come out now? Hello?
What's the password?
Dude, there's no food in here. I need a bowl of water. I need some cookies. Ah!
There you go. Carrie coming out of the cupboard. I figured you'd come out of the closet before the cupboard.
But hey, I fit in it.
You do. Congratulations.